Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Taste Digest. नमस्कार, टेस्ट डाइजेस्टमा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ। Before moving on any further, let me remind you to please subscribe to our channel to promote e-learning. Also hit the bell icon down there to get notifications and never miss any important updates from us. कृपया सब्स्क्राइब बटनमा थिचेर सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु हुन अनुरोध छ। साथसाथै बेल आइकनमा पनि थिचिदिनु हुन अनुरोध छ। I hope all of you were having a wonderful time back then. You must have had a productive vacation last month. Comment down below to let me know what did you do in your vacation. And if you didn't watch my previous video on how to make your vacation productive, do check it out after this video. Link will be in the description box below. Do you find trigonometry hard? Do you want to learn and memorize trigonometry easily? Moving on to our new topic for this video, we will be discussing about how to memorize formulas for trigonometric ratios. So, if you find trigonometry hard, this video is for you. Sin theta equals to P by H, cos theta equals to B by H, tan theta equals to P by B. Did you memorize all these formulas very quickly? Probably not. So to memorize those, you have to learn the basics first. Trigonometry simply means the measurement of triangles. It deals with the relationships between the sides and the angles of triangles and trigonometric functions which describe those relationships. Going forward for Pythagorean theorem, which explains that the sum of the square of the perpendicular sides of a right angled triangle is always equal to the square of the third side. That is, h square is equals to p square plus b square. Here, a is hypotenuse, but what about perpendicular and base? That can be figured out only when the reference angle is given. Suppose we have the reference angle theta. So C is perpendicular as it is just opposite to the reference angle, and B is base as it is with reference angle. You might have heard about sin theta, cos theta, sin alpha, del theta, sin A, cos A, sin 60, etc. If you look at the figures, alpha reference angle लिने हो भने y हाम्रो perpendicular हुन्छ र बीटा reference angle लिने हो भने x हाम्रो perpendicular हुन्छ। त्यसैले x र y perpendicular को जुन भ्यालु छ त्यो चेन्ज हुन्छ। त्यो भ्यालुलाई भन्छ reference angle. That theta, delta, alpha, A, 60 are always known as reference angles which determine the perpendicular and base. So what next? How to memorize the formula? Now discussing more about how to memorize, we will remember on mnemonics. We have the first words. We have hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. Now taking out the first alphabet of the formula, S from sin theta, P from perpendicular, H from hypotenuse, SPH भयो, C cos theta बाट, base बाट B र H बाट hypotenuse. त्यसै गरी tan theta को T बाट T, perpendicular को P बाट P र base को B बाट B. SPH, CBH, TPB. We have the words, but it is hard to remember. So we will make a sentence out of these words, which will make us remember the formula. Now, S may be some, P can be people, let H be have, C might be curly, B can be brown and H might be here. T can be turned. P might be permanently, and let B be black. So rearranging all these words, we get some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black, where sin theta equals to P by H, cos theta equals to B by H, and tan theta equals to P by B, where P stands for perpendicular, B for base, and H for hypotenuse. We know cosec is inverse of sin, sec is inverse of cos, and cot is inverse of tan. So remembering the formulas for sin, cos, and tan, we can memorize the formula for all the. If you practice the mnemonics few more times, you can write the formula easily. Now I think we are good to go to solve a question. Let's have a look. Consider sin theta is equals to 8 by 17. Find the values of all the trigonometric ratios. Answer down below in the comment box. And now trigonometric ratios and its values. We have the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. But can you remember the angles and its values? No. So how to remember that now? You would be shocked to find out that we have a trick for that, and that trick is even more simpler. You just need to remember the formula, the values of angles, which are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let's go again. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Did you memorize them all? You need to. But what next? Let's find out how to remember the formulas and the values. You have to remember the trick for only the angles of sine. Let's remember from the figure we are presenting down below there. We have formula root under n by 2, that is for sine and cos. Blue letters are for sine and 0 are for cos. You can see the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. For each fingers, values of sine and cos n is different. Suppose you need to find out the value of sine 30. So let's take an example. We need the value of sine 30. As you remember in the figure, the sine 30 lies 30 degree lies in the ring finger. So in the ring finger, the blue number was 1. So according to the formula that was root under n by 2, we get the value of sine 30 is equals to 1 by 2. If you look after that figure again, you can memorize it easily. Moving on to the angles of tan, we can use the formula sin theta by cos theta. If you don't know the formula, have a look at these. You need to remember all these formulas, which are not very difficult. Remember to practice the formulas with the mnemonics to make it easier for you to remember efficiently. It will make you easier to remember. Hope you have a very good time ahead. Remember to subscribe because it's free. Have an awesome day. Thank you.